Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Very
Good.
good evening. Okay, let me share my screen. Hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine, fine. Okay. So yesterday we have completed the entire business partner configuration part, right? So configuration is nothing but
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Sir, your voice is breaking. Yeah.
whatever the BP grouping for the business. Now
Sir, you are
it's
sir, you are not audible.
now is it
Sir, your voice is cracking.
now? Now is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's fine.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So yesterday we have seen the various like business partner configuration, and in the business partner configuration, so what is the BP grouping and what is the customer account group, and how we are going to define in the BP configuration, and the BP grouping. So the BP grouping is for the general business partner creation, and whatever the number range which is maintained for the BP grouping, that is applicable for the BP general. Neither he is a customer nor he is a vendor. Just it is a general business partner. After that, then we are extending it to the customer role or customer view. So that is also we have maintained the same number range. Then we have done the master data synchronization. That is a customer vendor integration. So based on that, we are getting the same number range, same number whenever we create a customer master, right? Then we have seen the both internal and external number range also, right? I have created yesterday two customers. One is for external number range, another is
Uh, Sir, your voice is
for
breaking.
Sir,
internal number range. Okay. That's the issue. Okay. So now it is audible.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Naresh, did you tried that same number option?
Yes, sir.
What is the impact or effect you got during
Sir,
this?
I'm getting one error while doing that one. Like it's asking me to enter external customer number.
Ah, correct. So it is saying that key you have to, it is externally assigned, then you have to maintain right manually. Like that it will come. If you have not taken, na, because you have opted for the external, right? Then
Correct.
the number will not be allocated. So then you have to maintain manually there. If you opt for the same number, because of this customer and BP integration, here the CVI is nothing but the vendor BP integration and customer BP integration. Okay. The customer is linking to the BP grouping. Customer account group is linking to the BP grouping. Then you are opting the same number range. This will be work only if you maintain the same number ranges. But this may be a different. Maybe the naming may be different. Here you can give A1. Here you can give A2. But the naming will not impact. Okay, the impact will be the number range. If you maintain two different number range, then this will not works. Okay, this is about the yesterday's BP configuration, and we have created even the customer also. What is the customer code? That is a 81300 is the first customer code we created. Now what I am going to today, what I am going to tell you. So I am going to explain you about the partner determination procedure. So this customer there is a big company. Okay. B2B business, business to business. Okay. Here it is a think that Apollo Tires company.
Sir, your voice again is speaking.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Sir, can you rejoin? That will work, I guess.
Now is it audible?
Yeah, it's audible.
Yeah, fine. So what I was explaining about the partner determination procedures. Who are all the partners within the customer? Okay. So assume that there is a one company, Apollo Tires company, and they are having the major customers. Okay. Major customers like Toyota, okay, Mahindra, and Tata, and the Kia, and the Hyundai. Okay. So Apollo Tires, they are into the tires manufacturing. They are manufacturing of tires. Tire manufacturing company. See here. So think that. So I'm taking Toyota is the one of the major customer. He buys the he buy the tires from the Apollo company. Okay. Toyota will buy the tires from the Apollo Tires company. Okay. And Toyota is having a corporate office in Mumbai. Okay, in Mumbai. So here in corporate office also there is a central purchasing team. Even though Toyota is having a multiple plants. Okay, plant 1 in Bangalore. Okay, plant 2 in Chennai, plant 3. Okay, plant 3 in Pune. Okay, so this central purchasing team is sitting in Mumbai corporate office. This is responsible to place an order to the Apollo Tyres company. What it will do? This central purchasing team will be placing purchase order. This will be placing the purchase order to Apollo Tyres. Okay. So whereas he is purchasing for the plant 1. So whatever this Toyota is having a corporate office in Mumbai, and in the Mumbai corporate office itself, there is a purchasing team, central purchasing team. This purchasing team, he is placing an purchase order to the Apollo Tyres company, and Apollo Tyres company think that it is in Hosur. Okay, think that it is in Hosur, nearby Tamil Nadu. Okay, from Hosur, and this is placing an order to supply to the Bangalore plant. This material is required for the delivery to Bangalore plant. Okay. So in this case, what happens? Why I am explaining means there is a purchasing team who purchases the material for different his branch plant, right? His branch, or it is its own plant which is located in Bangalore, right? But all these entities, all these units are belongs to Toyota only. All these belongs to Toyota only. But whereas this purchasing team sitting in corporate office, whereas this corporate office is placing the purchase order, and company Apollo Tyres is supplying to the Bangalore brand, because this instruction has given to the in the PO saying that it has to be delivered to Bangalore plant. So it is nothing but there are partner functions. There are partner functions within the customer who is having rights and responsibilities of various functions. What are all those functions? Functions are okay, placing an order. This is one function. Okay, let me Okay. Here. Functions are placing an order. Second, functions is receiving the goods. Third, okay, receiving the invoice or billing document. Last one is paying the amount. So these are all the functions. Okay. And for these functions, there are partners within the customer. For these functions, there are some partners within the customer. So customer is Toyota. Okay. Now Toyota is having a various partner functions to do these functions or to do these activities or to do these responsibilities. Who is going to place the order? The one who places the order is sold to party. In short term, we call it as a SP, sold to party. And who is going to receive the goods? So now here the sold to party is Mumbai Toyota, Mumbai corporate office. There is a central purchasing team. He is a sold to party. But the customer is same, Toyota only. But within the Toyota, he is having a various partners. And they do the multiple functions. He is responsible for central purchasing team is responsible for to place an order to the Apollo company. That party is called as a sold to party. That partner is called as a sold to party. And this purchasing team is placing an order through the purchase order by sending a purchase order. For whom he is sending a purchase order? For the purpose of supplying the tires from Hosur plant of Apollo Tires to the Toyota plant, Bangalore. So here the who is the receiving the goods? Receiving the goods is Bangalore plant. We call it as a ship to party. We call it as a one who receives the goods is called as a ship to party. Ship to party. It means Apollo Tires is going to ship the material, is going to deliver the material, is going to dispatch the material to Bangalore Toyota plant. So Bangalore Toyota plant is responsible to receive the goods. One who receives the goods is called as a ship to party. One who places an order to the company, that is called as a sold to party. Next, here, very important. This receiving an invoice or billing document, it depends on the customer to customer. Okay, customer to customer. Sometimes this will depends on the finance department, because what happens, the invoice, it is a legal documents, right? Legal documents based on the some audit queries, some legal requirements for the compliance of GST and tax. Sometimes the invoice may be directly receiving to the plant, or sometimes they may ask, customer may ask, send my original invoice to my corporate office. This will always vary. It's based on their call. Whose call? It is a decision of customer. Sometimes he may inform to the Apollo Tires to send my original invoice to either my corporate office or Bangalore. It depends on their decision based on their internal requirement. So that's why we called as a receiving, the one who receives the billing document or one who receives the invoice copy is called as a bill to party. Bill to party. And finally, normally the here in the corporate office itself, there is a finance department. Finance department. Central finance department. This department is responsible to pay the amount. So one who pays the amount is called as a payer. It is nothing but a PY, payer. These are all the major partner functions within the customer. So that's why I have written here. See, the component partner determination in sales and distribution is enables you to display the partners involved in the business transaction and their functions and their business relationships. What is the relationship between the customer and the company? And within the customer, what is the relationship? When creating or processing sales document, the system can determine the partners automatically. So I will show you how the partners will be determined automatically within the sales document. That I will show you, don't worry. And here the partner determination procedure is, it is a procedure which consists of a relevant partner function, define the rights and responsibility of each business partner in a business transaction. Whenever they place an order, so there will be a various partner functions and each partner function will have a particular roles and responsibility. Okay, what is that responsibility? There is a one responsibility is called as a sold to party. The customer who places the order, the one who places the order is called as a sold to party, and it is also called as a buyer. Okay, and next the ship to party, the location where the goods are to be delivered. The one who receives the goods is called as a ship to party. Bill to party, the entity responsible for receiving the invoice or bills. And payer, the one who make the payment, one who settle the payment. It is called as a payer. So I will give you one example. Okay. So you are placing an order in the Flipkart and Amazon, right? And you are placing an order for your friend. For example, Akash is placing an order in the Flipkart for to deliver to his friend Kishore. Okay. Whereas Akash is using his credentials and his login ID and password. He is placing an iPhone to deliver it to the Kishore. Whenever he is placing an order, okay, always it is asking the delivery address. Select the delivery address. That delivery address is nothing but a ship to party. Because here the ship to party is Kishore. Whereas buyer is Akash. So the buyer is Akash, he is a sold to party. And receiver is Kishore, he is a ship to party. Whereas again the invoice, sometimes Kishore said, Arey Akash, I want the billing copy to me only. Don't take the billing copy to you. So then again Akash will do. So bill to party also, it is a Kishore. But whereas the payer will be Akash. Akash is paying the money on behalf of Kishore. Later he will collect the money from Kishore. This is how you can link the various partner functions in day-to-day life. Similarly, we can link in the major main customers, that is wholesaler, retailer, whomsoever may be in the sales process. Any doubt, friends? If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Sir, there can be one scenario wherein all partner functions are me only, like sold to party is also me, ship to party is also me, and payer and bill to party is also me, right?
That is also will be the case. Yes, I do agree.
Yeah.
That is also will be the case. So I said, right, I have explained clearly. It depends on how the roles will be assigned within the customer. Because here the Toyota is my customer, right? I have taken the Toyota. Toyota, they are having their own hierarchy, their own roles and responsibilities, right? Based on their legal requirements. Some they have some auditing purpose, so they might be differentiate the roles. Either it may be a same or it may be a differs. That based on their decision, internal decision. It is not mandatory that it should be a different. It should be a different. Okay. It is purely based on their own decisions and internal requirement. Do you think this corporate office is placing an order, okay, for the Apollo tires? Whether he will take the Apollo tires to his corporate office, then he will send it to the plant?
No.
No. In that case, ship to party always it will be differ, right?
Yeah.
So that is the scenario. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Others, any doubt?
No, sir.
Hope the concept is clear, right? The concept is clear. And I am going to show you the configuration of partner determination, how it will be automatically determined in the your customer master, and then once it is defined in once it is okay automatically determined in the customer master, that will be applicable to other document also. Whenever you use the customer in various documents, where are the documents which you are using the customer? So one is a sales order, another is a delivery, another is a billing document. In these three documents, you will be having a partner functions. Okay. So let me show you the configuration, simple step. Okay. Configuration is very simple, not much complicated. Configuration of partner determination. Okay. So the T code, you can use the T code, VOPAN. Okay. VOPAN, OPAN. We call it as OPAN, or you can use the path. You can use the path. Let me show you the path. SPRO IMG sales and distribution basic functions. Under the basic functions, you will have a partner determination. Let me log into the screen. So, okay. Okay. Go to SPROIMG, sales and distribution, basic functions. Okay. So under the basic functions, you will have a partner determination. So under the partner determination, set up partner determination. Click this. So there are multiple level we can maintain the partner determination. Usually as a SD point of view, we are going to maintain in customer master level. So because the customer will be used in all documents, that is fair enough. You can maintain in this level. Okay. Just double click this. See, this is the screen. There are multiple step, 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. Okay. Then 4 steps. Total 4 steps are there. Let me write here. Let me write here. First, what we are going to do, we are defining or creating partner determination procedure. We are defining the partner determination procedure. Think that I am giving the partner determination procedure as same only, AC28. I am giving the same name. And within the partner determinations, within this procedure, maintain or you can say assign partner functions, and there is two options will be there. No change is possible. Another is mandatorily required. So these will be there. What we will do, we will maintain the partner functions as sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. These are all the short code. Okay, short name of the ship to party, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. Here there is a one tick box will be there. Okay, tick box will be there where we will assign the tick. We will enable this, and parallelly we will enable here 4. I will tell you only why this was enabled in no change possible and why mandatory required for the all the 4s. I will explain you during the partner function determination. Okay. As of now, this is a first step. This is first step and this is the second step. Okay. Third step. Third step is what? The third step is assign above partner determination procedure to your customer account group. So when you have done the BP configuration, right? You have defined your customer account group. This one. Okay. To this account group, you are assigning this procedure. Okay. What is that? Here you will have customer account group, and here you will have partner determination procedure. So AC28 is my account group and AC28 is my partner determination procedure. So after this, again, last step is whatever you have maintained this ship to party, sold to party, this also to be assigned to your partner functions. This partner functions also to be assigned to this customer account group. Next step is assign partner functions to account group, customer account group. What is that? Ship to party, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and the payer. These four will be the partner functions. Partner functions. This will be assigned to cust account group. What is the customer account group? It is AC28. So with this, your partner determination configuration is complete. Only 4 steps. Okay. Let me show you here. Okay. Okay. Open. Network is slow. Let me log in again. So this time I will use the T code. Okay, I will use the T code. What is the T code to determine the partner determination procedure? VOPAN. Enter. See, whatever you have seen the various levels, right? So there is a sales document header, sales document item. So now I'm going to select only customer. Okay, select the customer, change here. So same screen. Now, first, this step, partner determination procedure. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Here, you have to name your partner determination procedure. I'm naming as AC28. Give the description. I'm giving a description, partner determination procedure for my AC28 customer account. Okay. Enter. Then click on save button. It will ask TR number. Continue. Now, after this, select this. Okay, select this row. Double click on the partner functions in procedure. So you will get this screen. What you have to do? You have to click on new entries. So here you have to maintain functions. Then no change possible. Partner mandatory. Right? This one. Partner functions. No change possible. Mandatory. Partner mandatory. Functions are sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. Whenever you are getting this drop down, select somewhere so that it will be gone. Okay. Then I'm selecting no change possible and I'm making it as all 4 partner functions are mandatorily required. Okay. Press enter. See, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. So after this, save. Data has been saved. Go back. Go back. Now select this here. Partner determination procedure assignment to customer. Okay. Double click this. Double click this. After double clicking, you will get a here account group and partner procedure. This one. Third step. Assign above partner determination. This procedure will be assigned to the your customer account group. Okay. Third step. Here you have to see the AC28 customer account group. AC28. Enter. See, this is your customer account group, right? Account group. Here you are assigning the partner determination procedure. What is the partner determination procedure? I have created my partner determination procedure as AC28. This one, first one. This one. And this is from here. This one. Customer account. Now I have assigned, press enter, then save. Save. Okay. Next, last step is, what is the last step? Assign partner function to customer account group. Go here, double click this. Okay, double click this. Try to see the partner functions, SP, whether it is there or not. SP is there, okay, and nothing is blank. Better you go to select this and click on new entries. After this new entries, maintain the here first column is partner functions. Next is account group. So we have to maintain like this. I am copying this for easy purpose. I am pasting here. Okay. Again, I am copying this. I am pasting here. Press enter. Again, press enter. Again, press enter. Again, press enter. Press enter. So, total 5 times you have to press enter. Okay. Then save. So, with this, the setting has been completed. Configuration step has been completed. Now, let us go and see in our customer. Yesterday, we have created 81300. Yesterday, we have not seen the in the customer master, we have not seen the partner functions. Today, you will see the partner functions. What is the T code to go to customer master? It is a BP. BP is the transaction code. Enter. So 81300 is the customer. Double click on the start button. Then double click on the customer. Here it is in display mode. Always observe this. This is in display mode. So now select this. Before selecting, try to go to the change mode. Try to go to the change mode. Then go to the sales view. FLCU01. FLCU01. See, it is showing maintained, right? It is showing maintained. Yesterday we have maintained. Because of that, it will show as a maintained. Select this. Click on the sales and distribution. Click on the sales and distribution. Just there is a tab, partner functions. Click on this. See, sold to party, bill to party, payer, ship to party, everything is reflecting here. And one more important is, as I told, no change possible and mandatory. What is the role of this means? Just observe here. These three are editable, but this is not editable. Non-editable How it is non-editable? Because of this setting. No change possible. It means we cannot able to edit this. Because of that, it is only the unique. It is a unique. We cannot able to edit. And rest we can able to edit. Why? Because sometimes the customer, he is the main customer, sold to party. Sold to party is who? One who places the order. He is nothing but our buyer, right? Our buyer is unique. Whereas buyer may decide who is my bill to party, who is my payer, who is my ship to party. Buyer will decide. So you can, buyer may say if my bill to party should be this, then you may go to change like 81001. But provided this has to be created as a business partner in the system, then only you can able to do that. Also I will show you later how you can maintain the various bill to party, various payer, various ship to party. I will show you later. Okay, as of now, and these are all the four mandatories. All four entries are mandatorily required in the partner functions tab. Okay, this is about the no change possible and mandatory requirement. So after this, you have to click on the save. Then only this will be applicable. Now, change have been saved. Change have been saved. Clear? Any doubts? This is very simple, small topic, partner determination procedure. Any doubts, friends?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. One more important, I want to tell you, and I want to add you here. Sometimes this customer is handled by some area sales manager. Okay, particularly this customer, wholesale customer is handled by, within the sales department you will have a sales group, right? And within that sales group there may be 4 to 5 employees. For example, take sales group 1. Okay, and he is responsible for division soap products, AC division. Okay, so AC is nothing but it is a soap products. Okay, soap product division. And in sales group 1 there are 4 employees. So their name may be area sales manager 1, area sales manager 2, and area sales manager 3, and area sales manager 4. Okay, and these employees, these sales managers, area sales managers having a employee ID. Okay, employee IDs. Employee IDs. So in real time, in actual scenario, who is the responsible person to create employee IDs? You are also working under some companies, right? Who is creating the employee IDs? Can tell someone who is the responsible person to create employee IDs? HR, right? Human resource, right? HR is creating the employee IDs. How they are creating? They also use the same method only. They also use the same method only. Which method? BP. Okay, this person. Person is nothing but is a employee. Is a employee. They use this method and they are going to create employee IDs. Okay. So think that there are sales employees. Okay, sales employees, and their employee ID is used as a business partner in our system. And why we will use in this? For example, if management wants, which management? There is a sales and marketing team. Sales and marketing director or VPs, senior VPs, vice president, okay, or vice president or GM, general manager. If they want to see the individual performance, how they will see? They will see by adding the partner functions here. How you are going to add the partner functions? Let me show you here. Okay. Here are the partner functions. Okay, here are the partner functions. So let me go quickly create one partner function named as area sales manager. AM. Okay, partner function AM, and here I will select this partner function as a customer only. Is a customer only, and here I will mention area sales manager. Okay. Enter, then save. So I have created AM. Go back. Okay. This AM, for this AM, I have to assign my account group. AM and AC28. Because I want to bring this AM into my partner function. Save. Enter. Save. Okay. After this also, you have to add in your procedure. That is also very important. Because you have to add in your procedure, right? This is the procedure. In this procedure, you have to add AM also. New entries, AM, and mandatory. Enter. Save. Done. So now we have total 5 partner functions. Now go back, BP, enter, double click, change, select FLCU01, that is customer view. Under the customer role, you will have a sales and distribution tab. Go to partner function, see, area sales manager. If you know the area sales manager, who is the area sales manager and what is his employee ID. If the employee ID you know, you can maintain this employee as a customer here. And why we are using? We want to monitor his performance. Monitor ASM performance. Which performance? Sales performance. How many orders he brought? How many he has created the sales order into delivery? So that performance we can monitor by assigning the various partner functions. Any doubt, guys? Any doubts?
Sir, I didn't understand it correctly. Can
See,
you walk through it? Yeah.
this is for internal purpose. Internal purpose means you are maintaining customer in company. Which company? This is Apollo company, right? This is Apollo company. And you are selling tires to whom? Toyota.
Toyota.
Correct? So now my Toyota customer is 81000. Correct? This is the customer. And your company is Apollo Tires, it is AC28, right?
Yeah.
So AC28 is having a customer master, and this customer will be handled by there is a sales manager, area sales manager, right? So this sales manager is responsible to coordinate with this customer to get the orders, from this customer. Similarly, this area sales manager ASM1, okay, not only having only one customer in real time, right? He's having 15 customers, right? And this area, each area sales manager, they have given for this separate task. For example, this is a sales manager, right? Sales and marketing department. This director, senior VP, GM, they have given particular task to each and every person. Okay, under ASM1, so you have to perform the sales process or sales order. Bring the sales order of around 50 lakhs in a month. 50 lakhs in a month. And how they will monitor 50 lakhs order has been received from area sales manager 1. For example, you are think that you are the area sales manager 1. Who? Akash. Akash is a ASM1, and the target given by the management is you have to bring the 50 lakhs order from this customer. Right? How management will get this information? From where they will get? So the concept is, if the AM partner function is assigned within the customer, where the AM area sales manager employee ID, if you maintained here, whenever you run the sales order list, right? Whenever you run the sales order list report, you will get a partner functions details also. VA05. This is the sales order list, right? List of sales order. Here, your sales organization is AC28. If you execute here, there is no sales order because we have not created it, right? Think that I will keep blank. Okay, I will run the report. So here, whatever the columns you are having, you are seeing only few columns. Think that this is a sold to party, right? Similarly, here there is a layout. Okay, just I am selecting the personal number or partner function. Okay, here partner functions. Okay, now partner function I brought into the partner function where it is there. Here. In this report, in the partner function, okay, column, sorry, in the partner function column, for example, here it is reflecting as a AM. EAM with his employee ID. Okay, then you can download the report and you can see the how many value he has performed for the sales order. So filter the partner function and you can count the sum the total value of the order. Then you can see the performance of the individual sales manager.
Yeah, got it. Yes.
Clear? So
Yeah.
why I explained, there is some scenario, the sales team, sales and marketing team, because whenever you are going to the project, okay, as a SD consultant, to whom you will coordinate for the implementation, to whom you will coordinate with for the business requirement gathering, you will coordinate with the sales and marketing team only. If they ask particularly, I want the area sales managers or particularly the sales team performance to be monitored. Then what you will do, you will suggest him we can maintain a partner functions within the customer so that we can monitor the performance of the individual sales managers. This is the configurational setting where you can suggest him for the performance monitoring. Okay, so here normally area sales manager will be there and you will add his employee ID. So this employee ID you will get in this report. Okay, based on this, in a month, for example, from May 1 to May 31st, here simple, here created on, you will enter the May 1st to May 31st. I will enter 31st. For this month, the target given for the ASM is 50 lakhs rupees. Okay. Here you can add the partner function as AM. Example, I am taking SP because sold to party already it will be there. Think that this is AM. You can run the show. You can run the report. Okay. Or else, what are all the partner functions? Here it is not there. Think that this is a sales employee. Okay. So there is no, they have not assigned. Think that this is a, okay. There is a particular partner functions. Okay. Then you have run the show. So you will run this. So here you will get the partner functions within this. Where is the partner function? Here again. Partner function. Oh, very slow is the network issue. Okay. Okay, this is the partner function. So here, if you opt that partner function as a area sales manager, you will get the area sales manager here. Then you will get the total value here. If you just submit, you will get the number. So by seeing this number, you can say what is the performance of the particular area sales manager. This is the additional information which I am sharing with you all. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Kishore, Nagesh, Naresh,
No.
Rajlakshmi. Usually no one will ask, but okay. So if they ask, so you can say we can achieve this by adding a area manager as a partner functions within the customer. Where this area manager employee code will be created by the HR team and you can collect the details from the HR. Or even though within the department also they knows whose employee ID is what. Okay. So just saving this. Done. Data has been saved. This is all about the partner functions and partner function determination in the customer master. Okay. So now I'm going to explain you about the material master. So related to the business partner and customer master, the topic is finished. Now I'm going to explain another master data, that is a material master. Okay. This is material master. Usually material master, who is the responsible person to create material master in real time?
Consultant.
Yes. Here we are not having any responsibility. We are only responsible to extend the existing material to our SD views, sales views. Here okay, let me take material master. Material master. What is the T code to create material master? It is
MM0.
MM01.
01.
Right. MM01 is the T code to create a material master. 02 for change, 03 for display. Okay. And the responsible person is consultant. Consultant. Okay. As a SD consultant, we extend existing or already created material to sales views. So there are sales views. Okay. What are all those sales views? One is a sales org1. Next is sales org2. Okay. Sales org2. Another is third is sales general bar plant. Okay. These are the three views. We are extending already created material to these three views. Okay. And there are other department also how SD is extending it to the sales views. Similarly, the finance team is there. They will extend it to the accounting views. And there is a production team. They will extend into the MRP views, production views. Okay. Again, there are various departments. How material will be created? Let me explain. Okay. This is a material. Material or thing that finished product. Why this material has to be created? Because to sell our products, there is a material code is required for the sales point of view, and parallelly for the production, they should have the product code or material code to update the stock, and to update the bill of materials. Bill of material means whatever the production of finished product is there. So for each finished product production, what are all the, how many raw materials are required, how much quantity are required. That is the bill of material. Okay. Think that this is a finished product. Okay. And you are going to create the finished product material code. So initially MM consultant will create this by using a MM01 T code. Okay. So while creating, so normally there is a one initial step. You have a two different entities. What is that? You will select material code or number. Okay. Second is industry type. Industry type means that material is belongs to which industry type. Okay. Third is material type. So material type is nothing but a whether this material is finished product or raw material or semi-finished product. That is the meaning of material type. Okay. This is first step. This is first step. And next step is selection of views. Views is nothing but a departments. Here views is nothing but a departments. Oh shit. What happened? It's oh, everything is gone. Okay. No problem. Let me quickly draw this. This is a material or FG product. Okay. This will be created by MM01 T code here. Next is the material code. You may enter manually or you can keep blank. If you enter manually, that is external number range. If you keep blank, that is internal number range. Material code, then industry type, and third one is material type. Okay. Next, same thing is here. Here, the selection of views. Selection of views or department. Where in this we will have various department. We will have MM department, and we will have sales department. We will have accounting department, FI department, accounting, and production, and costing. So like that, various department will be there. So followed by which organization you are creating for this material. For which organization you are creating for this material. It is organization level. So it will be usually the material will be created for the plant, okay, and storage location. Which storage location you are creating this material, okay, and next is which sales organization, for which sales organization you are creating this material, and for which distribution channel you are creating this material. These are all the 4 important organization units. Okay. So with this combination, you are creating a material. Okay. Let me go and show you here MM01. MM01. In real time scenario, you are not the responsible for to create material code. Only we have to extend it to the sales view. Just 1 minute. Let me connect to the battery because battery is low. Okay. Sorry. Double click. What is the T code to create material master? It is MM01. Enter. Okay. Now, after entering this MM01, here the material code will be there. Industry type is there. Material type is there, right? See, material, industry, and material type. Okay. Here I am giving blank. I'm keeping this as a blank because I want to show you the how internal number range will be taking while creating the customer material master. Okay, here I am selecting industry as, let me take, I am creating, okay, I am creating one electronic product. Okay, and my material type is, because my industry is electronic industry. Okay, and I am going to create for finished product. See, you have to remember some few material type. What are all those material type? Let me show you. Material types usually in in material master, okay, in material management, there are few standard material types are there. So what are all those? FERT. Remember this code. Okay, this is for finished material or finished products. FERT is indicates finished products. Okay. ROH indicates it is raw material. Okay. And HALB. Okay. HALB is nothing but it is a semi-finished product. Semi-finished product. Okay. And HAWA. It is a trading goods. Okay. HAWA is trading goods. And ERSA. It is nothing but a spare parts or engineering parts. Spare parts or engineering parts. Engineering parts. If you remember, this much is enough. Okay. Here you can see various. See, FERT is finished product. Okay. HLB is semi-finished product. HAVA is trading goods. Right. And what are the next? ROH. ROH. Select this, click on R, letter R. See, raw material. ROH is raw material. And next one is, what is that? ERSA, right? ERSA. Select this, click on E. See, ERSA, spare parts. Okay. If you remember 4 to 5, this is enough. Okay. Normally, no one will ask. Just for your knowledge, you have to remember what is the material type. FERT is nothing but a finished product. Now, I selected the industry type. It is my industry is electronic industry. I am going to create the finished product. After this, press enter. Okay, now these are the views. As I said, right? Views is nothing but a departments. So as a MM consultant, now I am deselecting all. So I am deselecting all. So usually MM consultant, what he will do? He will select this, he will select this. Sometimes classification he may select, or sometimes he may not select. This is related to the variant configuration. Okay, variant configuration is a separate topic for the PPMM. Okay, PPMM, and that is different concept. Okay, now this is this is and also there is one more purchasing also, it will be there. For since it is a finished product, we are not going to purchase it, we are producing it. So that's why there is no purchasing view in the this thing. Okay, now this will be selected by the consultant, and consultant, he will create by continuing this, and he will do that. But parallelly here, since I am acting as all the roles, what roles? I am acting as consultant, I am acting as sales, I am acting as accounting, I am acting as production, I am acting as costing. I am selecting all the related views. What are all the important views? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and 6 and 7. These are all important for the material creation. Okay, continue. So here next step is this one, organizational level. So as I said, plant, storage location, sales organization, distribution channel. Plant, storage location, sales organization, distribution channel. It means you are creating your finished product for this plant. Okay, and for this storage location, and for this sales organization, for this distribution channel. Okay, now what I will do, I will take AC 28. Let me be as it is AS 28 only, better. That is electronic product, right? AS 28. Okay, Arvind Electronics Products. Okay, this television storage location, and here the electronic sales organization, and this is a wholesale distribution channel. Click on continue. So you will be directed to the basic data one screen. Whatever you have selected those views na, so here it will reflect here. Okay, so now this number automatically given by the system. Why? Because I kept the initial screen. In the initial screen, I kept material code as blank. So if you keep blank, system will automatically assigns the number. Now this is the material code as 12. Material code as 12. Let me mention. Okay, LG television, LG TV 43 inch. Okay, this is my description of the material code. This is the material code. This is the description of this material. And how you will measure this? It will be measured in number or inch. What is the unit of basic unit of measurement? How you will take this material in terms of numbers, right? In terms of number means you have to see each. EA is the basic unit of measure. So for example, if you are purchasing oil, right? Oil, how you will purchase? You will purchase in liters, right? And sugar, if you are creating sugar as a material, what is the basic unit of sugar? It is a kg. So like that, you are purchasing a TV, that will be a basic unit of measure will be a each. And what is this division? This division is belongs to A0. A0, sorry, A1 or what? A1. A1 is the division. It is television division. These two you are maintaining here. Next, you will maintain the weight of the TV. For example, I can say it is around 25 kg. Net weight also 25 kg. Plus, after these three entries, one this, second this, three this, press enter. So we will be going to basic data 2. In basic data 2, nothing will be maintained because this data and this data, both views will be maintained by material consultant. Then press enter. So here our role starts. As I explained, sales are 1, sales are 2, sales general plant. These three data will be maintained by a SD consultant. Okay. And I will explain you this sales unit by creating another product. As of now, you ignore about this. In this screen, we are maintaining a delivering plant. Delivering plant is my AH28 plant. Okay. And we are mentioning the sales. This is tax for this material. Okay. Here, one is for full, one is for the full tax applicable, 0 is for exempt. Okay. So here it is tax applicable 1. Okay. Go to additional data. 1 and 1. Enter. So tax details has been entered. After this, go to press enter. You will be directed to the next sales arc views. 2 views. Okay. In this very important parameter is one is a account assignment group for the material. Here we will maintain 3 as a finished product. Why this is required, I will tell you later. As of now, we are maintaining this data, and another data is NORM. Item category group as NORM. Okay, only these two data we are maintaining in the sales arc2. Enter. Sales general plant. We are maintaining the availability check. As of now, there is no availability check. KP means no availability check. I will explain you this availability check during the ATP topic. There is a available to promise topic is there. During that, I am going to explain you. As of now, you maintain the KP. And here transportation group. This is also one of the important parameter to it is required to determine our route determination. How you will transport this material? You will transport this material through by parcel. How you will load this material? How you will load this LGTV? By manual. Manually you are loading into the truck. So this will be into the parcel. That is the meaning of transport group and loading group. After this, press enter. Then in MRP1 view, this is a PP consultant will maintain here. PP consultant will maintain, but I have selected MRP1 because there is a important parameter MRP type. This is required for some purpose. I will explain you later. As of now, we have to maintain ND. ND means no MRP planning. MRP is nothing but a material requirement planning. Okay. And in real time, don't worry about anything because you are not responsible to create material master. Since we are creating for our sales purpose and we are responsible for only to extend that material to sales R1, sales R2, sales R, sales general plant. Only 3 views. After this enter, okay. Once you are coming into the accounting view, finance consultant will maintain this. Okay. Here you have to remember for finished product, the valuation class is 7920. 7920 is the valuation class for the finished product. Okay. So then followed by what is the manufacturing cost or conversion cost of this TV. This LG TV is there. What is the conversion cost? I explained right earlier. It is a manufacturing cost. So let me predict that there is a 10,000 rupees for the manufacturing cost without any profit. Okay, after this plus enter, then again plus enter. So once you end this, so we have selected till accounting one view only. Then click on yes. Now material 12 has been created. This material we created. 12 is the material code and it is a my LG TV of 43-inch. This is how material code material code can be created. Material code. If you want to see the stock of this, we will use MMB is the T code. Just last transaction I will show you, then I will end this today's session. MMB is the transaction code to see the stock of the material. The MMB is the transaction code. You can see MMB and my material code is 12. Okay. If you execute it, see, this is created under ES28 plant, right? And stock is 0. As of now, there is no stock because we have to upload the stock. Tomorrow, I will explain you again this material code creation one more time, followed by how to upload the stock. How to upload the stock. Tomorrow again, I am going to explain the again material master only, followed by how to upload the stock. If you have any doubt, let me know. Any doubt, friends?
No, that's it.
Don't worry. If it is confusing, tomorrow I'm again starting with the material master. Okay. We'll create again the material code for the new material. Then we will see the how to upload our initial stock. And whereas very importantly, as I said, we are not responsible to do this material master creation. We are only extending it to the 3 views. Sales org 1, sales org 2, and sales general per plant. This is our responsibility. SD consultant responsibility. Rest all will be maintained by others consultants. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. If you are having any doubt or questions, please feel free to ask. How do you feel about this learning? So whether it is complicated or easy or how? How you guys are feeling? Whether it is becoming a very tough to you, or you can able to manage, or you can able to capture?
It is not tough, but still we need to practice like for perfection. Like especially the business partner thing. It's little bit confusing.
Business partner.
Same, sir.
Oh yeah.
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 What is the
Today because I was doing
sorry?
so today I like created one business partner. So it's little bit confusing.
No, where is the confusion? At what point, what at what extent you are confusing? Means particularly either it may be a BP grouping or it may be a customer account group, where you are getting the confusion. Either it is a configuration part or it is a creation part.
Uh, Basically, configuration part. We need to practice a lot. Then we'll get to learn. So
Ah,
the thing is that.
configuration, correct.
Uh,
Configuration, I do agree. Initially, you will face so many issues because you should know the paths, right? If you know the
mhm.
path, then it is very easy for you to go to the particular path and maintain the details. So that's why I have uploaded one material. Okay, I have
Yeah.
uploaded one.
Even I have taken notes for the path, but yeah, we need to practice. Then only we'll be fluent in this thing. So.
Correct. Of course,
Mhm.
without doing hands-on, you cannot able to do the faster transaction.
Hmm.
So this is about the configuration part. So I have made each and every step, right? I have made each and every step and how to maintain this and everything I have maintained in the material. Okay, if you follow these steps, it is easy for you. Initially, you will face difficulties. Afterwards, if you have maintained 2, 3 configurations, right, then you will become an expertise.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Other than this, Naresh,
It's clear. Like
Yes,
enterprise structure is clear. The only issue is BP only.
yes, sir.
That's.
no, don't worry. It will be like if you do more hands-on. See how I become expert. I too also felt when I was learning.
Hmm.
Okay, it is not so
Okay.
easy that you see how I have explained today partner determination. See, without seeing anything, I have explained entire everything, right? So it has gone actually. So no problem. I will again update the details because whatever configuration I have maintained here, na, so automatically I updated without seeing anything. How I updated? Because I know where it is there.
Yes, correct.
So you also become such kind of expertise in the system, such kind of hands-on in the system.
Hmm.
At least spend 2 hours or 3 hours in a day, then definitely you will become expertise in the system transactions and hands-on. You will become more hands-on experience in the system.
Yes, sir.
सर एक्चुअली थिंग इज लाइक मतलब ना प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए टाइम ही नहीं मतलब मिल रहा है ज्यादा क्योंकि वर्किंग आवर भी होता है ना
Yeah, that's the case.
Correct. I do agree. It's because one side you are working that load and another side you are attending the classes, this thing. Then your mind will be fully loaded, right? Since from
करेक्ट
morning you already under tremendous pressure during the works, and that load and this again the additional pressure by gaining some more additional knowledge, this will be like making your brain will be much busy. It is easy. It is not so easy. I do agree. Correct,
यस सर
Rajlakshmi?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. But
Yeah.
still, like whatever you thought now, like I've made, but yeah, we can't practice more. The thing is that
Only suggestion is, okay, only the
weekends I just
you have to make your own time.
Uh,
You have to make your own time by making a proper planning. So when is the idle time? It maybe you have to extend some like night additional 1 hour or 2 hour. That is one point. Another point, you have to fully spend your time during the weekends. Don't waste your time during the weekends. Spend full weekend for this purpose only.
yes.
I can't say full. So at least half day, half day. Saturday half day and Sunday half day.
डाउट विचारतो बस मी आलोच.
क्या बोलते हो आप लोग सब? So whether you will be
Yes, sir.
able to do this, make this.
Yes sir, we
करो,
are
try.
trying it.
No, try करो, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. Otherwise, it is very difficult, guys. Okay, and today especially, I spent lot of time, okay, in preparing one notes for you. That is like, okay, where is that? Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, okay. Just take classes. Yeah. This one only. Interview questions. This I have completed fully. Totally, I maintained 40 questions. Okay, on the enterprise structure. So, enterprise structure interview questions. If you go through this, each and every questions, okay. Total, I have maintained 40 questionnaires, 40 questions. Okay. So I have uploaded also. You can see in here. 1 minute. Let me show you. Okay. Drives. So this is the interview questions. After 9.1, you will have this material. Okay. Go through this, try to learn and practice this. Okay. So all are majorly asked during the interview only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So
सर
yeah, बोलिए.
सर वो बीपी जो यस्टरडे का आपने बोला था ना, वो जो एरर, मतलब वो सेम नंबर पर क्लिक करने के बाद जो एरर आ रहा है सर, वो मेरे उससे रिजॉल्व नहीं हुआ सर. मैंने ट्राई किया, आई हैव ट्राइड डिफरेंट बट नहीं हो रहा है सर वो सॉल्व.
ठीक है, let me connect separately. Okay. So that
And
I will do the recording also for that, and we'll keep that recorded session of your error and how to fix that error in this common drive also, so that everyone can understand, okay, how it can be fixed.
okay. And sir, one more thing, if you मतलब हमने सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वहाँ पर क्रिएट किया, ओके, बीपी के अंदर, तो वी कैन नॉट डिलीट दैट, राइट?
सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किसके अंडर में?
मतलब अभी जो कस्टमर के अंदर हम क्रिएट करेंगे ना वो सेल्स एरिया,
हाँ.
तो वो वी कैन नॉट डिलीट दैट, राइट? I have created, but
Sometimes it is very difficult to delete. Okay, sometimes it may easy, because that we have to see, because if you maintain common distribution channel and common division, at that time it may be vanished. You can get only the one sales area, common sales area. There is a one separate concept is there, common distribution channel and common division. Even though I also tried for deletion, sometimes it will not allow.
yeah, For me, it's not allowing to delete.
Sometimes it is allowing, sometimes it is not allowing. So that also I have to try. Okay.
And if you answer, if you have created one customer, so that also we cannot delete, right? Or we can delete that.
No, no.
And the number ranges which we have used for that, that also we cannot delete.
Number range we can able to delete. There is no problem for number range deletion, because you are also, whenever you are practicing the system, like in the configuration, so some maybe if it is overlapping, you may are going to delete the number range, right, where overlapping is happening. Someone has created already number range, you can delete it, no problem. System
Not that one, sir. Which we have used in our BP configuration, that one.
that you can delete it now. How you cannot able to
No,
delete?
it's showing like graded only, sir. I'm not able to delete that one also.
No, there is a one icon, change icon is there. Okay. If you select that change icon, it will be allowed for deletion. See, there will be 3 tabs will be there, right? 1
Yeah.
minute. I will show you. Where is that? Okay, here. For example, let me go BP grouping range. Okay, cross application component, SAP business partner. Okay, under this business partner, under this basic settings, number range. So this is an undefined number range, right? So this is a display icon. This we cannot do anything. Second option is there, right? Change interval. Here you can select, you can delete this.
Sir, not that one. Like I'm saying, I have created this one ENA. Can you go in that interval?
Intervals.
No, in change
Which-
mode.
Ah.
So here that ENA I have created, okay, ENA and NC, and that I use in my customer. So that we cannot delete, right? If you have used
This one, huh?
uh,
This you can delete it from here itself.
okay.
Can I delete now?
Yeah, yes.
It's not deleting,
Hmm.
So in this case, what you have to do? Okay, just select this. Okay, I think change number range status. Change number range status. Try to make it 0. Okay, try to make it 0. Then save. Okay, then save and try to delete it. Whether it is able to delete or not. If I do this, let me do this 0. Enter. Okay. Now save. So then again you have to do, okay, you have to do from beginning, after deleting.
Yes, sir.
Let me go again, see this NA. I have made this 0 status. Okay. Select this. Gone.
Okay, so means whatever customer I have created, that also gone, right?
So that customer will be there. But the thing is, the number range is gone.
Okay.
Customer
can
will
we-
be there. Let me show you BP. BP, enter. Okay. What is your customer code?
7001.
7001.
One.
See,
It's there.
customer will be there. Customer, only the number range got deleted.
Okay. And if you want to delete this customer, so how can we delete that?
So
If
there
you have
is no,
created wrongly, if you did any mistake here,
there
right?
is, there is no option to delete here. Okay, there is no option to delete customer as of now.
Okay, so,
Okay,
so it will remain same.
it will be remain same. Only you have to inform to the FI consultant to block that customer. The FI consultant will be responsible to block it.
Okay, means we can block this. So
You can
we cannot
block
use
this.
this in our flow.
You can block this. 1 minute. Let me show you where it, somewhere it is block is there. FLCU0. Somewhere it is blocks. Block will be there. Okay. Let me go company code. So there is a block option somewhere. I saw that. On this. Let me go sales view. Sales and distribution. Shipping. Somewhere I saw the block option. You have not maintained the data, you kept blank, right?
Yeah.
See block. You can block here. Status is there, na?
Mhm.
The status. Okay. If you can make deletion flag for sales, you can make a deletion flag. And if you make this deletion flag, you cannot able to utilize this customer. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If you want to make all sales areas should be black, you can select this, you can save it. So this customer cannot be used. If you want to make particular like billing block for this customer, you can maintain here. Only selected sales areas means you can select here. Okay. So like this, you can do the blocking.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But we cannot able to delete. See, that's why why we should not delete means there is again edit query. The sales order, whatever you have created, that is not recommended for the deletion option. So in SAP, always the delete word is there now. You should always utilize very minimum. Okay, you should not use the word delete. There should be only very minimum deletion will be used, like for delivery number, right? For that purpose only you can able to delete. Delivery number can be deleted, no problem. You can again create that, that is not issue. But sales order and billing, so billing, once you created billing, you have to cancel that billing. You are not going to delete that billing. Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Thank you.
So, but your number I have deleted. Now you may try with another configuration. Huh?
Yeah, sure, sir. I will.
Right. Any other doubts? This is a very good question. Appreciate him, Naresh. Akash, you have any doubt? Kishore, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So whenever you ask doubt, so that will be helpful for other also, right? They also going to learn something.
Yes.
Fine. Chalo. Bye. We'll
Bye.
connect you tomorrow. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, for that
Thank you, sir.
error, I will ping you.
Yeah, later you can connect me separate so that we'll see that what is the issue.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.